everybody. I told you I'd keep it real here on my channel, and today's another cleaning video, and it is a part 2 of the downstairs. In the first video, I got the kitchen, the laundry room, the bathroom, and the dining room all done. The dining room is right behind me, and then we're looking into a disaster zone. It's really not as bad as it looks. It's just a lot of clutter, things that need to be put back where they belong. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So as you can tell, we live and breathe in this area of the house. At least I do. I have tools. Sorry, Dad. I still have not got those upstairs, but they're getting up there today. Craft stuff. Papers, sweaters that I've been wearing, purses, because I've been changing bags. I change bags probably every day if I'm going somewhere. Backpack that I need to pack for the gym tomorrow because I'll be going there. So yeah, a jacket that needs to be hung up that belongs to my husband. Yeah, this stuff here is just stuff that I'm reading. My menu list that needs to be put on the refrigerator. The couch needs to be straightened out. All of this needs to be dusted. This isn't too bad. See, there's no clutter or anything over here. Obviously, you can see, if you see my gnome that I made with my mom when I was in Morgantown. So cute. I have him sitting over there. He makes me smile. So let me show you the rest of the mess. So, like I said, I'm not hiding anything in this video. This is for real. But I'm up early this morning to get this done. This is my laundry. Mom, close your eyes. This is my laundry. I washed all of this yesterday. I just did not get it folded. That's my apron I'm about to put on. But yeah, this is all laundry. Got to fold it and get it upstairs or put it where it goes. This stuff here is stuff that is craft stuff, miscellaneous stuff that I have intentions for. I'm going to ask you guys something while I have you on here. So if you are like me, you like to wear dresses on occasion, and I usually wear tights, just black tights with the feet in them, just like this girl has on here. Yes, I'm aware that that says extra, extra large there. The reason being, I'm going to tell you, I bought another brand and they fit perfect, but the band around the waist was so tight that it hurt to wear. The lady said these were good at Walmart. I usually buy the Just My Size brand, and they are wonderful. I can't find them anywhere. Do you know where I can get the Just My Size brand tights? Because my Walmart is saying they are not going to carry them anymore. So these have the control top in them. I don't really care about that. This was all they had. I am going to try these. If they don't fit, I have the receipt and I'm going to take them back. So I just thought I would throw that out there to you guys. Maybe you guys can help. So let's see what else we got over here. So we have Halloween hats and jackets on top of the piano. Not a good place. We have Christmas stuff. Christmas tree, Christmas gnomes, Halloween spider webs. Yeah, we have all the seasons going on here. I can't show you what's in this bag because it is Christmas related and it's a secret, but I'm in love with this. I bought this for myself because I have not bought me a body spray in 3 years. Yes, you've heard that right, 3 years. And this one here smells wonderful. I may go back and get the lotion to go with it later. I did treat myself to that. I did treat myself to another thing, was this candle. The lady at the store was super, super nice to me. She was so pleasant. I'm looking for the name. Here we go. There it is. Can you see? Autumn Chai. She said this was a huge hit. I don't usually buy candles, but I'm going to tell you that this is a 3-wick. They're on sale for $12. And oh my gosh, this smell, I just opened it and I can smell it just standing there. Oh gosh, it just makes me want to have, go to a coffee shop or something. It is a beautiful candle too. I enjoy it. If you guys like Bath and Body Works candles, let me know. Which one is your favorite in the Christmas selections? Because I might buy another one. So I'm going to put my phone... Oh, I forgot one more area of badness. Guys, you guys are going to so judge me, but that's okay because what you think of me doesn't matter. Shopping bags. Suitcase from where I was in Morgantown. Yes, I have to get it upstairs. I've not done it yet. This is Christmas stuff that I need to put away that I bought while I was up there. Yeah, so we got gym shoes. I'm not real happy about this, and but that's okay. You know what? I'm gonna get all caught up today, and this is gonna get cleaned up. I do think that having that look so funny up there. I'm gonna set that stuff out for Halloween though, and decorate my front porch a little bit for Halloween because we are gonna give out candy this year. So we are looking forward to that. But first, gotta get this cleaned out. I'm gonna start with this section here so that I can bring my clothes over and fold those on the coffee table. And that way I can get that out of the way and get that done. So if I can get it folded and get everything that needs to go upstairs over there, then after my husband comes down, and I know I'm not going to wake him trying to lug this stuff upstairs, I will take it all upstairs. But in the meantime, we're just going to get everything all cleaned up and tidy and ready for the week. So this is Sunday. You'll probably see this Tuesday. So yeah, let's get this done. Cleaned off the kitchen table again. From dinner, I took out the garbage. As you can see, I cleaned all of this up. I got rid of the grease. I already set the coffee pot for in the morning because we are getting up extra early tomorrow because we are going to a new time to the gym in the morning. Dishes are all done and I dried them and put them away. And now I'm about to empty this load out of here and put my couch cover, well, it's just a blanket I keep on my couch. You guys have seen it. And I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm going to wash these two things because I want to do these on delicate. I have to look hot, like not good looking hot, but like sweltering hot. Whew, I am so hot. It warmed up outside today. It's in the 70s. But it's like 77 degrees outside. So my house is like 72, 73 degrees. But it cools down in the evening, like it plummets really fast. And I'm not turning that air conditioner on because I'm a cheapskate. I'm a cheapskate. Guys, got this new cup from, where did I get you? I got you at Marshall's. It's like a Yeti. My ice stays frozen in this thing for 24 hours. I fill it up with ice once, and then I keep pouring my cold iced tea on top of it, and it stays. This is put out by a company called Wellness. So it's not a Yeti, but it's like a Yeti. It's very substantial, and it's nice. $8 on sale in the clearance, so... Oh, I had to have a drink, guys. I'm hot. I got Ronnie one. His has never been used yet. His is... I'm sweating so bad that my glasses are steaming up. His is made by Hydroflow Capri. So his is just like mine, just a different brand. And so yeah, so I went with the black marble one for myself and got him the straight up black. They had some other ones if you like colors, you know, like blue, pink, orange. They had different colors, but I'm a girl that likes black. I like very simpleton, says the girl wearing all these shades of orange today. I must have really been in a fall spirits today when I got dressed. Anyhow, I'm going to sit here and cool off, drink my tea. Today, I'm happy because I've got to get my bag and my clothes ready for the gym for tomorrow morning. And I'm kind of excited about going to the gym, but I'm not excited about getting up early. It's a new gym. What I mean is it's affiliated. It is YMCA, but it's a different building. And from what people are telling me, it is very, very nice. There's going to be somebody there to show us how to use all of the machines, show us where the weight room is, and they're supposed to have basketball courts and just different stuff. And I thought, you know what? It's only an hour and a half. We'll get up and go. And even if we do a little bit of treadmill and some bikes, it gets us up, it gets the blood flowing. And trust me, we could use some exercise sometimes. So that's what we're doing in the morning. I'll probably take you guys along with us. I don't know how much I can film in there, but I'm sure I can sneak and get a few shots of what we're up to. But today's cleaning. It's all about the cleaning and getting this done. But first, I'm going to cool off.